Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your email address registered on Fiverr. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to fiverr.com. After you do so, log into your account and click on your profile over here on the right hand side or the right top corner. After that, you can find settings. Click on settings and you can see the email address. What you need to do is write down your new email address and click Save Changes. After a while, your email address will be changed if it is or not taken. So if it is taken, you can see this email address is either invalid or already taken will be shown. So go ahead and write down a new email address for yourself. Make sure that the email address is not taken, otherwise you cannot sign in to this email address. So go ahead and write down the email address for yourself. Then go ahead and click on Save Changes. Wait for a while and you can see that it is written almost there. We need to verify that your new email address really exists. Please confirm the email sent to your new address, which is written over here. So go ahead and open Gmail, which you have on your browser. So make sure that you are logged into your Gmail address as well. Go ahead and open the Google account, which you just registered with Fiverr. And you can see there is a mail from Fiverr. Go ahead and click on Confirm Email Change. After you do so, wait for a while and you can see that you have no verification attempts left. If there are some verification attempts left, you can easily change your email address. So guys, this is how you can easily change your email address on Fiverr. Firstly, go to fiverr.com, log into your account, click on your profile and go to settings. After you go to settings, you will find the email address option. Go ahead and write down the email address which you want to add, click Save Changes. An email address will be sent to you by Fiverr. Go ahead and click on the confirmation mail and you can thus change your email address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.